Hello students, today we will discuss on the topic probability. Let us go through the basic probability concepts. A sample space is a set of all possible outcomes of a repeatable experiment. For example, the set of all possible outcomes of a dice roll is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. An event A is any subset of the sample space. Example, getting 1 in a dice roll. Now coming to the types of events. An elementary event is an event which has only one outcome from the sample space. For example, when we throw a die, then the event of getting the number 5 is an elementary event. A compound event is an event which has more than one favorable outcomes from the sample space. For example, when we throw a die, then the event of getting an even number, that is 2, 4 and 6. Probability refers to the study of randomness and uncertainty. The probability of an event expresses the likelihood of the event occurring. Probability of event A is defined as the number of outcomes favorable to the event A divided by total number of possible outcomes. Let us discuss an example to make it clear. In an experiment of tossing a fair coin once, show the sample space. So when we toss a fair coin, we can get either a head or a tail. So the sample space will be H, T. Next, the probability of having a head. The probability will be half. And the probability of having a tail, it is also half. Now let us consider another example. In an experiment of rolling a fair die once, find the probability of the following events. The first one is probability of having a number from 1 to 6 on the upper face. So we know that the probability of getting 1 on the upper face is 1/6. Similarly, the probability of getting the number 2 on the upper face is also 1/6. So for each of the numbers from 1 to 6, the probability is equal to 1/6. Next, the probability of having the number 3. So this is an elementary event and the answer is 1/6. Next, find the probability of the event of having even numbers. So this is a compound event and the probability is equal to 3/6 is equal to half. And find the probability of the event of having odd numbers. Again, this is a compound event and the probability is equal to 3/6 is equal to half. Next, find the probability of the event of having numbers greater than 4. The solution will be probability is 2/6 is equal to 1/3. And find the probability of the event of having numbers greater than 6. So this will be a null set and the probability will be 0. Thank you for watching this video.